Hey there, future investor. So you're thinking about diving into the world of ETFs? Awesome choice. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like the mixtapes of the investing world. They let you invest in a collection of stocks or bonds all at once. Cool, right? Okay, let's break it down. An ETF is like a basket of various investments. Instead of buying individual stocks, imagine buying a little piece of lots of them, all bundled together. This basket trades on the stock market, just like a regular stock. Now, why should you care? Well, ETFs are super versatile. They can track anything from the S&P 500 to specific industries like tech or healthcare. And the best part, they're generally cheaper than mutual funds because most ETFs are passively managed. Translation: lower fees for you. All right, so how do you get started? Step 1. Choose a brokerage account. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. Popular ones include Vanguard, Fidelity, and Robinhood. Step 2. Decide what you want to invest in. Are you into tech? There's an ETF for that. Want to invest in emerging markets? Yep, there's an ETF for that too. Step 3. Place your order. This is where it gets fun. You can buy ETFs just like you would any stock. Simply type in the ticker symbol, decide how many shares you want, and hit buy. But hold on, don't just invest blindly, do your homework. Check the ETF's expense ratio, which is basically the fee it charges. Lower is generally better. Also, look at its performance history and what it actually holds. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors to minimize risk. Finally, keep an eye on your investments. While ETFs are less hands-on than individual stocks, it's still smart to review your portfolio regularly. So there you have it. Investing in ETFs is kind of like building your own financial mixtape. It's fun, it's flexible, and it can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Ready to get started? Go ahead and make that first investment. You've got this. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun investing tips. Happy investing!